If you ever wanted to build games for desktop and mobile devices, or even consoles, then you've come to the right place. This is the most comprehensive online course that will take you from absolute beginner to creating your own 3D games in Unity Game Engine. My name is Fahir, the main guy here at Awesome Tuts, and I've taught more than 23,000 people how to code and make games. I've been teaching online for more than 2 years now, and I've adapted a teaching style where you'll be engaged and have fun while learning, because I make silly jokes when I'm teaching. So what are you going to learn in this course? We are going to start with learning how to code in C#, and I'm not only going to show you the basics of C#, but I'm also going to dive into advanced topics. And this is for absolute beginners, so even if you did not code before, I got you covered. After we learn how to code in C#, I will take you down a practical learning path where you will learn by creating real-world projects. All the games that we are going to create are 3D games. And your first game is called Pumpkins and Golems, where you will learn the basics of Unity's interface, work with simple physics system, and see how with a couple of lines of code we can create a fun game. After that, we will create a more complex game called Awesome Runner, where you will learn how to animate characters, create levels using procedural level generation, work with particle systems, create enemy AI to make our enemies move and shoot the player, create and animate our game menu, and so much more. Then we will dive into advanced animations and see how can we use Unity's mechanism system to animate our 3D characters and how to control the animations from our code. Next, we will build a scalable puzzle game called Puzzle Ball, where you will learn advanced scripting, which is important to help you build your own games. We will see how can we reuse our script to scale our game and have more levels to play. We will also see some advanced features of Unity's physics system and how can we tweak the physics settings to our own needs. Then we will build Awesome Ninja Game, where we dive into advanced game development with health bars, melee battle systems, advanced particle effects such as thunder and fireballs, and epic boss fights. We will also learn how to make our games more awesome by creating cutscenes and camera animations. This is your chance to create that game you always dreamed about. Take a look at the description below to see everything what is going to be covered in the course and watch the free preview videos. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now and I will see you inside.